What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Raising Roneys. Of course, if you're seeing me, it's another Saturday. Daddy's Saturday chores, I guess you can call it. Last Saturday I got that pad pretty well ready for this mobile home we've just purchased to get moved on. I just gotta get with the mover. When the mover comes with the unit, he's gonna pull the anchors up, and I gotta dress the sides up a little bit with my box blade. But other than that, he came and looked at it. He said that pan's ready to go. So today, we have to get over to the mobile home, have to pull, the sun's bright, had to pull the skirting out from all the way around the mobile home. I got a porch on the back and some little porch or something on the front I've got to get off of it. The mover wants me to drain the hot water tank. Can you see me? The mover wants me to drain the hot water tank so it'll be less weight in it, because he's got to, when he moves it, he's actually got to back it all the way out of the road it's on, and then he's got to back it up that hill going up into my property. So we're on the way over here now. I got one of my guys from the shop gonna help me get all this skirting and do this little bit of work today. But anyway, we're gonna pull up over here in a minute, and I'll get started pulling this skirting off this mobile home. Y'all hang out a little while. I gotta get all this. It's not really skirting, it's more like a 10. We just gotta go around and get it all off. Get that back porch off. Then we gotta get inside and get the water heater drained out. Looks like a baby calf. Huh. I don't know what's going on over here. take care of the front porch. All right, we got the little porch on there. That big porch is gonna be a chore to get on the trailer. It was a little difficult to get off, but we got it off. We got a couple pieces of that siding to get off. And then we'll probably haul this porch over there to that other piece of property we're gonna move this unit to. And then we'll try to come back and get the big porch and then drain the hot water tank. And I think we'll be through over here. That's gonna about wrap it up for my day. We got went ahead and got the big porch moved over there. We kind of messed it up a little bit, but I think it'll have some wood on it I can save and reuse somehow or another. We didn't film any of that. And then we got the hot water heater drained. It was kind of uneventful. And got the water disconnected from that mobile home. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for about all I can do. I've got all my stuff done. Now the mover, I called the mover and made sure he's gonna be here. Today's Saturday, so he's gonna be here Monday morning. So I'm gonna take off from work a little while Monday and come over here while they move. He keeps stressing to me that he's got to back it down this little lane. He keeps stressing to me that he's got to back it. I guess it's not far. He probably don't have to move the mobile home a mile, but he's got to back it probably half of that way down a little lane. So that ought to be pretty eventful. I'm gonna try to get here Monday and help them with that, do what I can to stay out of their way, probably just film it and get it on video. So yeah, check back in for that. Stay tuned. Make sure your post notifications are on so you get notified whenever those new videos come out on moving this mobile home. And if you would give us a like on this video and go down in the comment section, leave us a comment. But anyway, that's gonna be all from Raising Roneys. Have a blessed day.